This one's called Cold Wind to Valhalla.
And ride with us, young Bonnie lass, with the angels of the night. Crack, wind, clatter, flash, rain, bite on an outsized unicorn. Rough shot, winging, sky blue light. Going to Valhalla and join with us, please. Valkyrie maidens cry above the cold winds of Valhalla. Breakfast with the gods' night angels said, with ice-bound majesty, frozen flaking fish on earth, in a cup of silver liquid fire. Moonjet brave beams, split ceiling swerve, and light the whole above the cold winds of Valhalla. Rest upon the sides of Thor's trusty handmaidens, midnight lonely